got somebody. Cap, be advised. Another black tag up here about halfway.
Copy that.
Sam, can you hear me? Hey, Sam. How you feeling?
It hurts when I breathe. Please. My fiance. She's on the train.
Yeah, hey, she's okay. Cap, I got a passenger pinned up here. Looks like the support beam from the observation deck broke through the floor. Need you to send up the jaws, okay?
Copy that. Coming right up.
We got you, Sam. Help us on its way.
We need jaws in the ram.
All right, Cap. He's the last of the walking wounded from the bottom of this car. What's the word from up top?
2 dead, 1 trapped so far.
Captain Ash, search dog detail just landed. Can you spare a couple medics?
All right, Hen and Jim, go with them.
Are you sure, Cap?
We need all the paramedics we have on the ground.
What about up there?
I got it.
Got a book. All right.
He's got a collapsed lung from the blunt force.
O2 levels are dropping. I can relieve the pressure, but we gotta move this beam off him.
Yeah, you're too heavy. Not gonna budge.
All right, let's try the hydraulic ram. Got a book?
Yeah. All right.
Hey, we got somebody else.
Yeah.
How you doing?
My side really hurts.
Take a peek. Oh, God. All right. Force of the crash, push your leg up into her torso.
What?
It's gonna hurt a little bit. All right. There's still a pulse in her foot. Blood's still pumping to it.
That's a beam. Come on.
Be right back, okay? What's going on?
They're both trapped by the same beam. We take the pressure off of him and we're squeezing her. Which one has the better shot?
Injuries are different. The risk is the same. What are we saying? In a pick, who we save?
I'm saying I don't think we can save them both.